Pretty cool, right? Imagine adding this dynamic effect to your own edits. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create this match cut effect using CapCut PC step by step. But that's not all. I'll also teach you how to create your own custom newspaper article for this effect. So stick around till the end because you don't want to miss a single tip. Let's dive in. So first let's set our project settings. You can do that by clicking here on modify. I'm gonna use the aspect ratio 16:9 for this video, and you can alter the frame rate by clicking here. This drop down menu appears. So I'm gonna use 30 frames per second for this video. Once done, you can save this. I have imported these article cutouts to use in the video and this white background to use as our base layer. Also, I have this ruler guide so that I can arrange the word at the center. First, I'm gonna import this white layer into our timeline. Therefore, we can use it as our base layer. Now let's import our first image of the article. Here it goes. Now what I'm gonna do is I'll import this guide to our timeline and then duplicate it by holding Alt, then dragging it upwards like this. This creates a duplicate layer. You can do the copy paste method too. Now let's find our word. For this video, I'm gonna use the word creativity as our highlighted word. So let's just scale this image and make our word in the center. You can do this by the slider, and let's just place it here in the center like this. Maybe scale a little bit. Yeah, that's perfect. Now what I'm gonna do is I'll select this ruler guide and then I'm gonna place it here just to have a guide for future images like this. So now we know that we have to put our word between these lines or in this square. Now I'm going to remove the excessive part of this image, zoom in into the timeline. Now you'll be able to move the playhead frame by frame, and you can do that using the arrow keys. I'll put my playhead 5 frames ahead like this. Then I'm going to press W, which will erase the excessive part of the image or the excessive video which is on the right of the playhead. Zoom out the timeline and then start duplicating these images. I'm gonna do that 10 times. I'll make this effect 5 seconds long so that we have a proper time to grasp what's happening. So let's just copy and paste this. I've duplicated this image 10 times and now I'm simply gonna replace each one of them with the other articles that we have. So I'm gonna replace this and then I'll find the word creativity like this and put it in the center. You can also alter the position by changing the X and Y position here. You can do that by holding shift and then clicking on the arrows so the frames moves a little faster. So now if you see, our second word is in center too. I'm gonna do that with all the images. If you're loving this video, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe. Trust me, it's your ticket to leveling up your editing game. So I have replaced each and every image of this by a different image, and now it looks something like this. Now what you have to do is select all the clips and just copy them, Ctrl+C, and paste them here like this, Ctrl+V. Now you can simply deactivate this clips by using V, and now we have an effect of 5 seconds long. We'll just make these images a compound clip. You can do that by pressing Alt+G. Now go to this effects panel and then go for lens, and you can choose this chromatic blur. Extend it to the very end of the video, place it above our images so that this looks something like this. You see how this creates a dynamic effect and blurs out all the features other than our highlighted word. I like it very much. Now I am going to highlight the effect. Just double click on the compound clip and you'll be able to go to the timeline of compound clip and then go to text, add a text, type a single hyphen here, change the color of the hyphen. I'm using green in this video. You can choose any color you want. Now create a compound clip of this text layer and then turn off this uniform scale. So you'll be able to alter the width and height of this hyphen Then after increasing it to 500, you can hold shift and then click on this arrow to keep increasing the width, and same with the height, you can hold shift and increase it. Now open the blend option and bring down the opacity to 50%. Change the blend mode to multiply. Yep, now it looks perfect. I'm gonna animate this highlight by using masking properties. Select the video and go to mask. Click on add mask. Then choose the split mask. Rotate it to -90 and then go to the very left of the image like this. Apply a keyframe here. Then move your playhead to the very end of this clip and then move the split mask to the right of the word. Now you'll have an animation which highlights your word. To smoothen it, I'm gonna select this and right click, show variable keyframe animation. Then select this and preset curves. Now hide variable speed animation, and now you have an animation which highlights your word. Now you can go back to our original timeline. What I'm gonna do is I'll apply another keyframe here so that the video looks nicer. Add a keyframe on scale and then go to the last, change it to 115% like this. Now it has a zoom in animation to it. I've added some SFX to give this video a natural touch. These are normal click sounds and a riser in the end. Now I will show you how you can make your own custom newspaper articles. Go to your browser. I am using Chrome here and just type the word like creativity and then news. Go to the news section. You can choose any article you want. Yeah, so this one seems fine to me. I'm gonna use this. Then just select any paragraph you want. Like this paragraph does not have the word creativity in it, so I'm gonna use this one as the example. Select any word or sentence, then right click and select inspect. You can see this line is highlighted. Click on this arrow and then you'll be able to edit this. Now go to ChatGPT and type this prompt: give me 10 paragraphs about creativity. Now you can just copy this paragraph and go to the news tab, double click here and paste your paragraph consisting the highlighted word in it. That's creativity for us, and there you go. Now you have a paragraph that consists of our word creativity. Now you can just zoom in and screenshot this whole paragraph, and now you can use it wherever you want. That's it guys. So now you have everything you need to create a match cut effect that will wow your audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative tips like this. Stay creative and I'll catch you in the next one.